Welcome back, children. Uh, Now we will talk about sale of surplus farm product. Basically, the farmers, after producing their goods, they keep what they require to consume throughout the year in their stock, and the remaining portion, which is known as surplus product, they basically sell in the market to have cash earning, and through this cash they either purchase some machines like tractor, and they try to supplement their income. Even some big farmers like Tejpal, about whom you will read in your book, Tejpal Singh, he has huge production. So the surplus production he sells in the market, and through the cash he has set up multiple business. He has trucks, he has set up small shops through which he is selling seeds, fertilizer, and even he has kept cattle. So this activity helps to enhance their income. Now we will talk about non-farming activity in Palampur. So we have seen in most of the cases, even though farmers are producing goods through their farmland, but they are not able to meet their requirement. As a result, you will find any village like Palampur where rather than farming, people also does other activity which are termed as non-farming activity. Now, like you might have read mixed farming, where I have said previously, then in mixed farming, basically a farmer produce crops through their land, as well as he rears cattle, that is livestock. Okay, and this mixed farming basically is helping to enhance his income. So let us come to one non-farming activity, that is dairy farming. You might have heard, and even in Bihar, you know, Sudha Dairy, popular one. Here people basically keeps buffaloes, cows, they feed them with grass and jowar bajra, okay, and they produce milk, and that milk they sell it to the traders who have set up chilling centers, and thereafter it is supplied to some other places where multiple products are being produced. So this dairy farming is one of the non-farming activity. Another non-farming activity that you might have seen or known, that is small scale manufacturing unit in villages. So you might have seen in your village there are some people who are involved in basket making. Some you will find potters who are making small pots with the help of mud or earth, and that is also a way of enhancing their income. Okay, another non-farming activity is that you will see in your village is that shop. People have opened their own shop. Okay, and they are doing the work of exchange of goods. Okay, in village you will find a grocery shop where people sell through their shops product like sugar, wheat, rice, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, butter, candle, notebook, pen, pencil, and even some small clothes. So this is a non-farming activity, and it also helps to earn their income. Also you will find some people have opened their shops, and basically in the evening they are making pakoda, samosa, and which they are selling to people. These are eatable product. And the last one which I would like to tell you is transport, a fast developing sector. There are varieties of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur, with towns like Raiganj, Sahpur. You will find rickshawala, tongawala, jeep, tractor, auto, truck driver, and even people driving traditional bullock carts. Okay, these all are means of transport, and this transport is also helping people to enhance their income. Nowadays, in village, if you go through, you will find in a family, one person is working as a farmer, but he has a small land, and the family is big. So through farming, they are unable to meet their requirement. As a result, you will find another member of the same family might have purchased an auto, and he is running his vehicle from Sahpur to Rani Sagar or Sahpur to Brahmpur, and through which they are also trying to supplement their income. In this way, you will find multiple non-farming activities that are being carried on. So children, that's the end of this chapter. So listen the videos carefully and try to understand it, and after that make your fair copy. Thank you. Hope to meet you again.